Shooting the installation video for 35 Mohawk Path Trail in Spring. I'm in the garage on the right hand side at their 200 amp main panel. We have a 100 amp sub panel. I'll be walking around to the right side of the home. The meter is located and the generator will be placed. We have room to the left to place the transfer switch. And from here, we will trench our electrical run down to the placement of the generator. The flags are marking the placement of the pad. We'll be installing the back side of the pad will be in 12 inches off the side of the home. And the right side of the pad, and this bush can be trimmed back. So we have the 36 inches of clearance, but the right side of the pad will begin 137 inches off the back corner that juts out behind the AC units. We'll be installing a 2624 air-cooled Kohler. This will be a managed load transfer. There is a 5-foot utility easement that runs up to the edge of the AC pad. So we will manage both ACs with low volt runs. And the utility easement comes right up to the edge of this concrete pad. So we will have to attach our gas run. The gas pressure has already been elevated. We can attach the gas line to the home. Right around behind the bush. Over to the generator.